Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to delete Instagram note music. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily delete your Instagram note music. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root your device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Instagram application. Now once you open your Instagram, at the upper right corner you can see your message button over here. Just click on this message button, and once you click on the message button you can see my note over here, and at the top of my note you can see the song or the music I just selected over here. All you need to do is to click on this music and then click on delete note. Now you can see I have now deleted the note. If you want to add it, all you need to do is to click on the plus sign and then select the music once again and then add it to your Instagram note. So this is so amazing. With this you can delete your Instagram note music. If you are not getting this new update, please update your Instagram to the latest version, so you can just open your Instagram and then update your Instagram to the latest version so that you don't miss the new features. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a video